Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn if it's possible to open WhatsApp without a SIM or chip. So if you want to get into your WhatsApp account or WhatsApp chat, you are going to need a verification code. And that verification code is going through your SIM or chip. There's always an option to get a verification code. Let's make an example of it. For instance, you have bought a new cell phone, and in your old cell phone, you have your SIM. You're going to download the WhatsApp in your new cell phone, and you're going to try to get into your account, and it's going to ask you for a verification code. What you can do is put the number on it, and you're going to receive the verification code in your old cell phone. Once you have the code, you can write it in your new cell phone and everything's going right. Remember, you can't have two cell phones with the same WhatsApp account open. The only option to have the same WhatsApp account in two different devices in WhatsApp web or in the app in the computer. Now, let's imagine that you are in a different country and you don't have signal. And you don't have an old cell phone or anything. So what you can do is to go to your Play Store and write virtual number. There are different apps that are going to allow you to receive the verification code. This virtual number is going to receive SMS too. So you're going to get your new number, your new virtual number, and write it on your WhatsApp account, and there you're going to be able to use your WhatsApp. But always remember, if you want to use WhatsApp, you are going to need a verification code. If perhaps you cannot do it, you can try with a different app as Messenger or Telegram to communicate with your people. And that's the end of the discussion. It's possible to open WhatsApp without a SIM or chip.